Oh, what do we have here? This gym bully tries to bully the wrong cops and it ends badly. Having roid rage is crazy at the gym. That's where you go to release your problems.
How you doing, sir?
Yeah, the police in here? Officer Hernandez. I remember you, folks.
He big as hell.
What's her name?
Huh?
What's her name?
Who, my name?
Yeah.
My name Brandon.
This dude acting like he at home, got the radio going. Hell nah.
Hey, what's going on today, man?
What you mean?
Get into it with someone?
I'm taking out to the shower, folks. I'm big as hell. Why would I fight with anybody?
We have security come down and verify whether this guy or not.
It ain't me, folks.
I can never take a shower in a public restroom at a
I
gym.
don't got no gun.
Maybe like at like the truck stops when I used to drive OTR over the road and shit. But at an actual gym, hell nah.
I don't got no. You know what I'm saying?
All right, well, they said it's a black male with a white shirt and a big speaker. So,
You can't beat those allegations.
What I got on? A tank top.
Yeah, you got a white shirt. You got a big speaker too.
and a big speaker.
Okay, everybody got big speakers, folks.
Yeah, but
Everybody's got one?
Everybody got a big speaker.
What's your name?
I mean, have me? Can I put some underwear on?
You got him on.
Underwear on, man.
I mean, saying, can I put some boxes on? Some, you know what I'm saying?
I ain't gonna lie, if I start going bald like right here, I'm gonna say shave my shit.
What's your name, man?
Look right. I ain't gonna say it over, man. I ain't gonna lie, it's a female in here, gang. Okay. Like that. Hey, anywho, it's feeling like I got boxes on. Can I put some shorts on before female?
Here's your shorts, man.
On some mansion.
Here.
Why you touching my shit for? I ain't actually touching my shit.
You put it on then.
What I'm saying is that I didn't ask you to touch my thing.
You want her to see your thing at this point because you just said out of respect and now you trying to come on.
That's fine.
Look, right, you can't do nothing with me.
All right, can we have this security come in here and see if it's him or not so we can get him out of here?
Look, right, you can't do nothing with me.
Oh.
you get in an argument with somebody
You
too?
biting your jaw and shit, you can't do nothing with me, gang.
Aren't you still mad or not? No, we're not going to let you go.
That's all right. Watch out.
Oh. Hey, look, it's 4 trained officers versus 1 guy that think he untouchable. You got to be more careful and pick your battles wisely. I think just there we go. Sped up and shit. Do you really think this was a smart route to go? I don't even see how you got the balls to bully somebody and then still be there trying to get ready. I would have been gone.
I'm in my boxes, bro.
Put your hands behind your back. Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Stop resisting, brother. Just put your hands behind your back.
What I'm saying is I'm in my boxes.
Put your hands behind your back. We'll get shorts on you. Just put your hands behind your back.
Oh. Taser. He said they can't do nothing with him. Look like they did something with him.
All this was unnecessary.
Can you take the cuffs off?
Okay. No, we're not taking the cuffs off. Stand up straight.
I'm under arrest. What did I do?
Sit up straight.
You gotta lift me up. Oh, no. Down. Hey, come put them on. My hands are behind my back.
He's gonna help you.
Let me make sure everything's clear.
Come on, Thunder Thighs.
Yeah, hold on.
I got you. I'll take care of that right now.
Yeah.
Sit down.
I ain't gonna lie. Y'all a little strong, Joe.
All right, pants.
If I was on the force and I was doing right out here, hey, I'll be a
Hey, your barber ain't doing right by you at all. Cause what the fuck is that? Man, just cut that shit already, bro. Or like do it like bald, where you go bald at, like, do half of it, like half hair up here, and then let that shit be bald. But either way, bro, you need to let it go. Just childish. I see why he got the cops called on him.
right out here for real. Other than that, Only reason how folks got me down, because he put his knee in my ear. Other than that, y'all can't do nothing with me out here, folks.
They just did.
He going through my bag and shit. You get what I'm saying? Like, I'm saying though, we had a little argument.
I know, bro.
Look right.
Yeah, so at this point, they want you arrested for disorderly conduct. So
Oh.
that's why
What did I do? This only conduct, folks.
Second, sir, they're also saying that you're being trespassed. You cannot come back to the building. Yes.
This is my first time here, Robert
I got
Crown.
you. First and last.
Damn. Boy, you know how much of a piece of do you gotta be to get kicked out on your first day?
What the?
That's all.
You get what I'm saying? Like,
Bro, you got ID in here?
huh?
You have an ID?
Nah, order my ID. You know I'm from Connections on here on. You get what I'm saying? That's what I got going on.
These are yours, sir?
Huh? Yeah, that's my Michigan shit.
You know, those sandals too.
Yeah,
your
no,
sandals?
going through my. Yeah, these
Oh,
are
you're
my
under
sandals.
arrest, so we're searching everything.
Like dude right here with the little mohawk right here, he know me. He know what's going on. Ask him right here. Little man. He's too little to be trying to be act muscle and shit. You need somebody that got a little bit more. You know what I'm saying?
Said the person that got a salute like this, like his shit back here. You got a salute. Stay at third.
I know it put fire to y'all, but I play football game. I ain't no shit. I know how it get. Trench baby. I know how it is. You know? My thing is, all I was asking to put him some pants on. The female walked in, I mean, a man's bathroom in my boxes. You get what I'm saying? Like,
I don't think nobody care what you saying, honestly.
huh?
You don't want to put them on?
I'm saying though, when you stopped me, a female already was in here.
And you want pants? I gave you those.
She ain't. It's not like she was seeing something she ain't never saw before. Like she a grown woman.
Female shouldn't have stepped in here, and I'm in my boxes. You get what I'm saying?
Check
Like,
your shoe.
I'm gonna check the heck so they don't get tighter on you, all right?
hold on, watch out. Keep me in these.
That's fine, but we're gonna make sure they don't tighten up on you.
I gotta make sure it don't tighten, cause it's gonna
Cause I
hurt.
got a bag to pick with. Where he at?
No, don't pick with nobody. Yeah.
Where he go?
Don't worry.
With you.
Big guys, they always think they tough until they see 2 or 3 cops and then 4 more pop up and oh shit.
Hey, relax.
No, you can do it. Okay. No, you do.
Hey, stop.
Man, you're just gonna make things worse.
No, you untied. I don't like doing that. I ain't gonna lie. Somebody else untied, gang. I don't like bro ass. Somebody else untied, gang.
Just go here.
We taking this confidence.
Okay. Well, you open up your hand for me?
No, listen.
Hey, my man.
Stop tucking me. I'm gonna open up my hand.
Okay, open it up then.
Stop being strong with me. I'm okay. Stop being strong with me. We're not talking on you.
All right.
Okay, let me go. Stop being strong with me, gang.
You open your hand up for me? There you go. You got a little scuff on your knuckle? Right here? Right where I'm touching? You got a little scrapes. Yeah, a little bit of blood there. Where's your band-aid back at the station? Okay,
That's cool. Okay. You know, my brother, he a police officer, he a sheriff, so.
Oh, and you out here acting like this. I hate when people say that because I'd be like, dang, boy, you make your people look bad.
You know,
If that's the truth.
Got to grab your socks and put it in your bag.
That's it?
You double locked them?
Yeah, I double locked it.
Man, there's no need for all this, you know?
no, I like him, but I don't like dude ass over there. I don't like him.
Don't even
I
look at it.
respect all y'all
Is this
except for
your
him.
Hey,
I don't like him. I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't like him.
is it Ronell?
Ronell, R-O-N-E-L-L.
Ronell, is this your shirt down here?
Yeah, those my shirts right
We
there.
got one shoe under there. It's like the Air Max.
Yeah, the Air Max. Come on, let me see you put it in the bag because I need my shoes, gang. Bro, I didn't even do nothing to nobody. We had an argument, bro.
Yeah, but your statements in the argument
You're gonna
alarm
get
people
released
in
from the
the-
station.
in the-
You understand?
You heard what the other man was saying? He said he was gonna.
Yeah, I didn't hear none of that data, and he's not here. Yeah.
Why he smiling at his face like that though? That would have pissed me off even more.
I'm about to go to the police station, gang. I ain't gonna lie to you, gang. I didn't even do nothing. We had an argument, bro.
I got you, but that's you don't have that.
You can take the cuffs off. I will go home and go my way and never come back here. That's what I'm saying. Like,
Nah, once you get them cups on, y'all are going to jail.
take me to jail is crazy, gang.
You aren't even gonna go in a cell.
Yeah, you know,
I'm saying though, can I at least check my back, make sure everything in them before I leave here?
Everything's in there, right?
Yeah, come on.
They don't want nothing in your bag.
Hey, come on, so. Hey, check my shit. Come on, yeah. Stop grabbing me like that.
Can I get your name first? That way we can write in the report.
I'll wait for you.
What is he charged with, y'all? Let's
The man
see.
was charged with disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, and trespassed from the gym. Thanks for watching.
Go back. Whew. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. So don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well. As helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.